this video, I am going to explain about the major differences between a program and a process. Okay, differences between program and process. Already in the previous video, we know what is process. Okay, and we know what is program. So, what is program? Set of instructions. Set of instructions to do a particular task. Okay, to do what? Particular or specific task is called what? Program. What is process? A running program is called what? Running program is called process or program under execution. Program under execution or running program is called what? Process. Now what is second difference? Okay, second difference. Now I given the example in the previous video, we have stored some 50 songs in the secondary memory, and out of that it is not possible to play all at the same time. We can play any one song. So whenever we play any one, that means when we execute any one song, only that song is brought into the main memory and it will be executed by our CPU. That means that is the only playing. Remaining are still there in the main secondary memory. That only one song will be playing. That is the active. Remaining are passive. That means the only one song whichever we played, that is the only active program, and this is what the passive remaining. So a program is in what? Program is a passive entity. Program is a passive entity, whereas process is an active, because it is playing, it is executing. It is executing. So process is an active entity. Program is a what? Passive entity. Okay, next one. Now, what are all the resources? We know that, okay, every process requires CPU, time, some input device, some output device, some space in the main memory, some space in the secondary storage device. So, these it needs. So, now, what are all the resources program needs? Program is what? It is there in the secondary memory. It just needs what? Secondary memory space. That means it needs some space in the secondary memory. That's it. It doesn't require any other resources. But whereas process requires all these resources. It needs CPU, it needs IO devices, it needs some memory space, it needs some secondary storage. Okay, secondary storage space, some files it needs to execute. So all these resources are required by the process. Okay. So next, now which lifespan is more? So once whenever we play the song, it is active till completes. That is done. That's it. Again, we are going to play the next one. So that means as long as program is keep running, the process will be there. Otherwise, this will be still again because program. But our program is permanent because we stored in a permanent storage. So lifespan of our program is more, whereas lifespan of process is very less. Okay, lifespan of program is more, so here this is very less. Lifespan is very less. Okay, okay, these are the some of the major differences between what? Program and process. More major difference is when we execute a program which is stored in the secondary memory, that will be converted into executable file. Okay, so program is stored in the form of executable file. Program is stored in the secondary form of executable file, whereas the process is stored by the operating system in terms of PCB, that is process control block. Okay, this also we discussed in the previous video. Okay, so it was stored in the main memory in the form of a process control block. Okay, so these are the 5 major differences between program and process. Okay, if you have any questions, please write it in the comments. Hope you people understood. Thank you. Thanks for watching.